price of platinum is dominated at the moment by the supply side. It looks like Anglo Platinum, come what may, including Impala and Lonmin, are going to be of the order of 500,000 to maybe 600,000 ounces short on the supply side compared to last year. And even though last year we started with about a 430,000 ounce surplus, we ended last year with approximately a 400,000 ounce deficit, supply shortage. That is the crux of the whole platinum market. Is there going to be enough supply going forward? And a lot of people say, well, why hasn't the platinum price reacted more than it has? The reason is that contracts are usually negotiated on an annual basis now, this time of the year, in January and February. And so for last year, all the customers, and there's really a handful of customers, maybe 10 at the most, that take significant amounts of platinum from the big South African producers and Norilsk as well. They were all satisfied for demand for their supply last year. This year, however, is a different story. And I think the recent rise in the platinum price to slightly above gold and now again just below gold is because the negotiations have started, and now suddenly the prices are being bid up by the customers. I believe that we'll go back to the 3.54 million ounce per annum market, with a combination of Europe recovering, the US recovering, Southeast Asia and China recovering, and the increased emission standards coming down the line. So that's the biggest consumption area for platinum, the autocat sector. The second biggest consumption area for platinum is jewelry, and that is almost like a shock absorber for the platinum market, because every time the price comes down, the Chinese in particular come in and buy and support the price. The platinum demand for the industrial sector, I think, is going to be strong and very much coupled to the improving in the world economies. The last sector is the investment sector for platinum, and funny enough, every time there's bad news in the market, people sell, and when there's good news in the market, people buy, which is exactly the wrong thing to do. However, that's what happens. And the ETF market, the exchange traded fund market, went up to several hundred thousand ounces prior to 2008, and since then it has come down quite significantly because of liquidations. But that sector is very easy to get into and to get out of as an investment, and I think as the wealth effect or the feel-good factor for investors improves over the next year or so, I think so the ETF market will also improve. So in total, on the demand and supply side, I'm getting a shortfall in supply, approximately for the next 5 years at least, and possibly for 10 years, because I cannot see anybody starting a new mine under the current circumstances, with Anglo Plats especially, and then Impala and some of the others also cutting back. But there is a gap opening up, and sooner or later the platinum price is going to react to that shortage. I've done a forecast for the London Bullion Market Association, and my forecast for this year is approximately $1,750 an ounce average. I see that on the basis of the US recovering, the Chinese carrying on with their growth. I think it's too early for Europe to recover this year, but possibly next year it'll recover. But that's the average that I see this year. I know there's some forecasters who are looking at $2,000 an ounce. I think it's a little bit early for that.